Welcome to the Puzzle Factory. We're bringing you different types of puzzles that will tax your brain. Some are easy, some are hard. We hope you enjoy working on them and solving them. Keep track of your time and post it at the bottom of each video. See if you can beat everyone else. So let's get started. Our first Color Me Puzzle puzzle is a 9-piece puzzle. The average time to complete the puzzle has been approximately 2.5 hours. Can you beat it? Hint, what you see here is not the answer. Here's your puzzle. You can stop the video and do a print screen and print out all the pieces, or click on the URL below to download a printable copy. Cut out the squares and mix and match. Now, it's best to print on cardstock if you have access to it, otherwise paper will do. Be sure and post your time below this video. Good luck and have fun. Thank you for playing our Color Me Puzzle game number 1. Be sure and click on the like and subscribe button to be notified when more of our games become available. Be sure also to tell your friends and family who like to play puzzle games about us. They'll be extremely glad you did. If you have any questions, email us at the address below or leave a comment below and we'll answer you. We really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thank you and have a great day.